Welcome back to MDTV. Just going to do a quick updated version of how you take apart a scooter and put it back together, and they're all very, very similar. This one happens to be a Pride mobility scooter, but that doesn't matter. So you fold your seat down like so, your seat lifts off like so. When you're putting these in the back of the car, always try and place that in a place where you're not going to step backwards and fall over it. Your battery pack comes out like so, yet again, somewhere where it's safe. On the back of the scooter, there's a handle. Some of them have little pull triggers, this and that and the other, but this one just has this little thing that you lift. Up it goes like so, and out it comes. You will notice that you've got these green bands on here, and you've got green bands on there. So when you come to put it back together again, when that's on a nice flat place, you can pull it back like so, green band to green band. Just pull it around a little bit, and down it goes. Right, so moving forward, we've taken that apart. Your basket, little clip on this one, it lifts off like so. Yet again, put it somewhere safe where you're not going to fall over it. You undo this coil nut here, down it goes. Don't put that all the way down. The reason for that is that if you put that in the put this bit in the car first, so you lift it up, pop it in the car. Then grab your battery, like so, slide it back in there. I'm going to just have to lift that up a little bit. I just left it a little bit too low, as you can see, because it just fell in. When that's in the back of the car, it won't run around now. Get yourself a nice old towel, lift up like that, pop that through there. This is bleeping because I've left it switched on, so I'll switch it off. And with your seat, like I said in the first video, if you make that the right shape, like so, it might sit in like that. It might sit in like that. Or it might sit over there, like that. But usually, and this actually is the Go-Go Sport, it's quite a big scooter. The other ones that we sell are much smaller. They will go into a car boot, and that way you've got your back seat still left in your car. So just a quick update there. Thanks very much. See you soon.